Have you ever dreamed of owning an online store that enables you to sell your products and services around the world? Well, we are here to make that dream a reality. Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Mustafa, and I've been helping people build successful online stores with Shopify for 5 years. I've seen it all, from startups like yours to established brands expanding their reach. And let me tell you, Shopify is the platform that makes it all possible. So, if you're passionate about technology and you dream of turning that passion into a thriving online store, buckle up, because you've come to the absolute perfect place. So, why Shopify? Here's the deal. Shopify is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. You don't need to be a coding whiz to create a beautiful and functional online store. Plus, it's incredibly scalable. Whether you're starting small or aiming to become the next tech giant, Shopify can grow with you. But that's not all. Shopify comes packed with tons of amazing features, from secure payment gateways to powerful marketing tools. It's like having an all-in-one toolkit to run your online business. We'll cover everything, from setting up your Shopify account to customizing your store's design. You'll learn how to add products, setting up payment gateways, shipping and delivery, taxes, market your store, manage sales, and keep customers coming back for more. Our store will not only feature the latest personal computers, laptops, and accessories, but also digital products like activation keys and ebooks. And let's not forget our top-notch hardware and software maintenance services. The coolest part? Shopify supports multiple languages, so you can sell your amazing products to a global audience, no matter if they read from right to left or left to right. So, if you're ready to jump into e-commerce or are interested in learning what it takes, let's build a complete Shopify online store. This is just the beginning of your exciting journey. In the next video, we'll be diving headfirst into setting up your Shopify store. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's start our journey towards creating a successful online store together.